Here comes Chris. Nice little switchback. Here comes the jump. Next!
And make sure you loop back around.
Here comes Robbie. Here comes the little jump. Nice jump, makes it look easy.
Make a U-turn. U-turn, there you go.
Here comes Poker Jeff, second time out, doing awesome. No problem at all.